Hi, this is Shweta. You are watching me on my channel Thousand Sun Tarot. I just got a notification of 11:11. Oh my god, it's 1:11 at this moment while I'm recording this. It's raining outside and okay. I saw another sign, but I'm not gonna tell you this. What was it? Anyway, it's raining outside. The weather is amazing. I was about to sleep, but here I am because I just got a pull and I got some channeled messages all of a sudden, like a few downloads. So here I am in my altar. I'm just gonna pick a few cards for you all and confirm the messages with my tools and deliver it to you. Yeah, it is going to be a generalized message. So if it does not resonate to you, you do not have to forcefully resonate to it. Okay, so if it resonates to you, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Subscribing is must because when I put intention behind my readings, I give intention for my subscribers. So please do subscribe to my channel before you take the reading, or just claim it in the comment box. You can type anything like 1111, 111, anything, because this number has a specific significance in my life. So yeah, okay, let's just do it. So you might just get some noises as well because my balcony door is open. So please bear with me, bear with the quality, bear with the lights and everything, please. Okay, just a second, please. Okay. Let me show you the cards. I will upload this video right after recording because I want this message to reach to you ASAP. So meanwhile, let me show you the cards and I will put the resonance, like what are the list of things that you can resonate to. For extra confirmation, I'll just put it somewhere on the screen because I don't want to elongate the video unnecessarily. Okay, so the first card is so relatable and as per the weather outside, that is Thunderbolt. Then we have Breakthrough, Mind, and then we have Courage. This video is going to be pretty raw, uncut, absolutely uncut. So Thunderbolt and get Breakthrough. From these two cards, what I feel is you will have to go through a tower moment. Okay, ऐसा लग सकता है आपकी लाइफ में अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए कि नथिंग इज़ वर्किंग आउट. आपको लग सकता है कि एवरीथिंग दैट यू टच गेट्स डिस्ट्रॉयड. आपको लग सकता है कि कोई भी चीज़ आपके लाइफ में कोई भी एस्पेक्ट में सही नहीं चल रहा है. आपको लग सकता ओके, सी द फ्लेम. Since I do readings with particular energies, oh my god, thank you so much. Here, Thunderbolt shows that आपको लग रहा है लाइफ में कि कुछ सही नहीं चल रहा है. Things are not falling into place, like your career, love life, personal life, mental health, everything is like devastated. But ब्रेक थ्रू, ये जो बाउंडेशन है ना, जो चीज़ आपको बांध के रख रहा है, पीछे खींच रहा है, दैट इज़ योर माइंड. आपको वो किसी भी हाल में ब्रेक थ्रू करना है एंड आपके लाइफ में एक कोई टावर मोमेंट आने वाला है. दिस समथिंग दैट इज़ कमिंग अप और मे बी यू आर गोइंग थ्रू राइट नाउ बहुत ज़्यादा डिवास्टेटिंग. लाइक आप बिल्कुल नीचे आ चुके हो. लाइक हाउ टू से, you have touched the bottom line. Okay, so now you have to break through. When you touch the wall behind, you have to break the wall. Then you have this mind. It's all about your mind and mindset. आपको अपनी mind को बहुत ज़्यादा courageous बनाना पड़ेगा and break through करना पड़ेगा, तभी जाके you will see the better side. Okay, let me see once की चीज़ें आगे जाके कैसे होंगे. Once you go through this phase, once you are done with this phase, let me see. I wish I could show you the, like, let me show you the candle flames right now. See, can you see the energy? Oh my god, thank you so much. See, this candle is just for like show, but see the energy here and see the energy here. You see the, see, oh my god, Wheel of Fortune, then we have Six of Wands, then we have Ten of Cups, then we have Judgment. हो सकता है कि वट एवर यू आर गोइंग थ्रू दैट इज समवेयर योर स्टोर्ड कर्मा, past life karma or this life karma, whatever. This is like this has something to do with your karma. So once you are done with the whole hazard, you will see your wheel of fortune changing. Amazing. Then you will see success, then you will see emotional balance, you will see family growth, like emotional happiness, abundance, and you will heal as well, be it physical, be it mental healing, any healing it can be. You are going to heal very fast once you are done with this phase. Okay, there are some guidances for you all. Let me just tell you what are these. Amazing. These guidances are so top notch. Let me show you. Okay, so let me show you the cards. First one is, if your mindset is fixed, try to free yourself from that. Rise above it. Don't place limitations on what you think you can achieve. Don't stand in your own way. Allow yourself to flourish in all ways. Welcome abundance in all forms and into your life. So, exactly this is what I said. आपकी माइंड ही आपके रास्ते में आ रही है, आप खुद अपने रास्ते में आ रहे हो. योर थॉट प्रोसेस इज व्हाट that you need to change. So exactly that is what came up. Please change your mindset. Be free, be open to the highest good. The second card that came up is, it is time to stop letting worry rule you. As I said कि आपकी माइंड ही वो चीज़ है जो आपको रोक रही है, आपको कंट्रोल कर रही है. You can just read it by yourself. Meanwhile, let me tell you, I always say that नेगेटिव नहीं होना चाहिए, नेगेटिव नहीं सोचना चाहिए, नो मैटर व्हाट, बिकॉज जो भी एनर्जी आप यूनिवर्स को दोगे, यूनिवर्स आपको 10 फोल्ड करके वापस देगी. तो अगर आप नेगेटिव एनर्जी दोगे, नेगेटिव थॉट्स को यूनिवर्स में रिफ्लेक्ट करोगे, तो यूनिवर्स आपको 10 फोल्ड करके वो ही वापस करेगा. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, इट इज़ टाइम टू स्टॉप लेटिंग वरी रूल यू. इंस्टेड गेट एक्साइटेड अबाउट योर फ्यूचर एंड ऑल इट विल ब्रिंग. What energy and emotions you put out comes back to you with a little conscious effort. वो effort क्या है? यहाँ आपको वो break through करके निकलना है जो trap में आप पड़े हुए हो, even though it is your own mental trap. ठीक है? So that is what you need, and that happy ending can and will be yours. Believe that. Believing in yourself, believing the ultimate good is going to happen to you is very important. And the last card that came up, find ways to fill your cup. Be selfful, follow your heart, and always trust your intuition. Go deep within, find your triggers, and address them one by one. Self-healing is the best healing. Only then can you offer the best version of yourself. Exactly. जो breakthrough, जो tower moment है, वो tower moment basically आपके लिए क्या है? आपको सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्ट करनी है, एंड जो भी चीज़ों को छोड़ने की ज़रूरत है उसको रिफ्लेक्ट करके, कट आउट करके अपनी ज़िंदगी से निकालने की ज़रूरत है. वो दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी रियली हार्ड. सेल्फ हीलिंग इज़ रियली हार्ड. सोशल मीडिया में दिखता है कि सेल्फ हीलिंग इज़ वेरी हार्ड, अवेकनिंग इज़ वेरी हार्ड. व्हाई इज़ इट हार्ड? बिकॉज आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करनी होती है. यू रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन टू योर सेल्फ, यू रिफ्लेक्ट इन टू योर हैबिट्स, पैटर्न्स, एवरीथिंग, एंड you have to break through and change it. More likely, many of you who are watching this video right now, you are going through your like spiritual awakening or some sort of karmic ending. So that actually hits really hard, trust me, because you have to work on a lot of things that you never thought of working on. Maybe you will have to leave a lot of things, change a lot of things जो आपने कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि मुझे करना पड़ेगा लाइफ में किसी भी टाइम. So that is where it comes कि वो अगर आपने कर लिया, like आपको प्रॉब्लम डायग्नोज करना सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, पता है। वो एक बार हो गया डायग्नोज तो ट्रीटमेंट बहुत आसान हो जाती है, ट्रीटमेंट बहुत आसान हो जाती है। तो आपको वही करनी है कि आपको ब्रेक थ्रू करके एक बार ही निकल जाना है। वंस यू आर आउट फॉर एवर। Okay, so my GAN ends here for tonight. Good night. Have a good night's sleep. The weather must be pretty well everywhere, so have a good night's sleep. Sweet dreams. Take care. Be in peace and love you all. Bye.